Hello everybody, I'm Sianda, I'm back. We finished writing our exam today and I'm walking with my friend Lorraine. Say hi, Lorraine.
Hi, how are you doing?
Yeah, Lorraine came to visit my house today. You should have seen her. She was so bad. Just be in my bathroom and my room and my lounge. Ooh, and how she ate the food too. Oh Lord, have mercy upon thy soul. Isn't that right, Lorraine?
It was lovely.
It
Yes,
was lovely.
Sure it was, yes.
Yes, and today I promised y'all to make a video with my friends, and these are one of my good friends, and we've been to school together for 2 years now, and it's gonna be our last year this year. It's gonna be very sad, and I'm walking on the street with the cell phone out. How bad is that?
People are looking at him like he's mad.
Like we're mad, and we're gonna get robbed just now. So yeah, it's a good Friday, and
Exams are over, peace, nigga.
But yeah, that's all for now, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Say bye.
Ta-ta. Bye-bye.